Welcome to Hoedown 2019. My name is Ari Levitt with RollUpTheRug.com, and this was our intermediate level nightclub two-step, and Shin volunteered to help with this as well, so thank you so much. And what we did today is we started with a basic left turn, so I'm going to bring Shin over here. We started with a basic going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We talked about keeping that flow going down the line, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So we're honoring this momentum going in this direction, heading right down the line. Good. From there, I can over-rotate Shin into a shadow position, and then we can do our counterbalance rock steps. So it's a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, change hands to the center, rotate to shadow. Then we rock back, lead checks back, swallow goes forward, our slider on the front, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, left turn, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We'll start from here. So I'm going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, jun, jun, jun. Actually, let me start it with the count as we're doing it in practice. So I'll do a basic with a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, bounce 3 and 4, bounce 5 and 6, 7 and 8. I'm rolling back around my partner to do that left turn at the very end. So that was a little technique that allows us to effortlessly rotate our partners without counterbalancing and pulling them around us. I mentioned this, that we could exit in two ways. If I'm going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, I could counterbalance 5 and push my partner around me, which seems a little bit more violent, but doable. Or I could rotate my own body on the 1 and 2 to rock back around my partner, back across the line, get my partner to rotate forward. So from this position, we're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'm stepping around my partner and rotating right there. So very, very easy to get you to rotate. Here's a little bonus round. If you can get your partner to effortlessly spin, instead of putting the brakes on as we're coming down the line, I will bring my partner to another turn on the 3 and 4, or 7 and 8, whichever the count is. So if I'm going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, it's a really lovely way to finish this. So that whole combination might look like we're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. I roll around partner, and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Nice. Thank you, Jim. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you here again next year.